Welcome. Recreation ground in Caersws. It's round one of the Welsh Cup this weekend, and there's quite a few tasty games on, and this one's a good one. It could be closer than people think. Caersws play Dolgellau. Caersws are not on the best of form. Dolgellau at the top end of the Ardal northeast, just below them. Both teams want to make their mark. Dolgellau also starting with a strong 11. And number 1, Tyler Andrews in goal. Number 4, Gitor Pugh. 5, Joey Jones. 7, Daniel Thomas. 8, Dennis Bates. 9, today's captain, Gerwyn Williams. 10, Ossian Morris. 11, Will Griffith. 15, Dion James. 16, Rob Evans, the player manager. And 17, Paul Lewis. Dolgellau going to kick off. It's going to be Gerwyn Williams who's going to be doing the honours there. And there we go. And the ball has come across the wing. They played it out. And that is Joey Jones. And get into the Caersws half with a throw in. Which Dion James is going to take. Gets 1-2. Dennis Bates tries to put the ball through. It's got a deflection. Sam Phillips now has it. Rides the first tackle beautifully. Nice flick on there by Tommy Rowlands. And Lyndon Jones is going. Like the clappers, there's a possibility. Heston and Tommy Rowlands there, just putting it past the post, and that would have been the perfect start for Caersws. But and it all came from the flick back by Tommy Rowlands and Lyndon Jones, who's making a point as well, I think, today, going down the left wing like the clappers. Well, here come Dolgellau with the goal kick. It's halfway. Rob Evans tries to get hold of it. It's picked up by Heston. Heston is playing a central role today, gives out the left wing to Rowlands. Tommy Rowlands gets it across. Here it is now with Ash Harries. Sam Phillips is tackled by Paul Lewis, and Dolgellau are breaking, and it's 3 against 2. 2 against 3 even. Dolgellau slowing it down now, playing it just in the Caersws half, getting the ball across, but the good bit of interception there. Ossian Morris, well, it was clumsy tackle, but the referee didn't see anything wrong with it. And Dolgellau, well, he's trying to win it down the left, but you can't get past Sam Phillips with a chance like that. Well, Cottam there, just using the upper arm to sort out. Goodness, Tyler Andrews came out of his box to field the ball. First bounce nearly went past him. And it's back now with Dion James, and it's across to Paul Lewis. Lewis chipping it forward to Ossian Morris, doesn't get it. Harry Cottam, trusty head there. Ash Harries gets it down, and now it's on halfway. Sam Phillips is tackled straight away, and Dolgellau coming again, building it up. Dennis Bates. Bates puts it wide down the right. It's Dan Thomas. Thomas checks, waits, pushes it further forward, and Dion James forces the throw. So in the early start to this game, certainly is being worked by both teams here. See, Penabont have taken the lead against Britain Ferry in the All Cymru Premier game in the Welsh Cup today. Kirkloff the scorer. Meanwhile, 0-0 here, Caersws and Dolgellau. That's a bad ball by Dennis Bates, and Heston nicked it off the defence, but just couldn't do anything with it. Dolgellau have to clear, so a little bit of a wobble there. We'll see how that comes as Edwards picks up the ball. Heston rushing forward there to make himself available, but the opportunity was missed. Caersws trying to go forward, but Dolgellau clear it, and Gerwyn Williams has it on halfway. Dolgellau holding the ball on the right, and that's a lovely ball to Gerwyn Williams deep in the Caersws half. They put it to Morris on the right. He's trying to chip the ball into the box, but the deflection has taken the sting off it, and Caersws can play it out, and in the end they have to do it via a throw-in. And Caersws have to watch themselves. They're betting in here, but the more that Dolgellau keep in this game, the more they will grow. Barry have taken the lead at Aberystwyth straight away through Ian Owen. And Sam Phillips with a long ball, sort of lobbed forward towards Hesden, but it's cut out by the defence. And Caersws have to play it along the back line. It's with Edwards. Bad bobble on the first touch. He gets it back. Ash Jones gets it forward. That's a nice one to Tommy Rowlands. He made a lot of space. He just sliced his first pass and he's got it. Hesden's made himself available. Cut in. It's gone for a... Oh, I think he went for a curl, but he just didn't have anything on it. And it's just faded out. So no shots on target yet, but Caersws have had 2 so far. As we wait for the goal kick. Cardiff Draconians taking the lead at Dinas Powers through Sam Roberts. And goals coming in all over the place. Traralgon Bay 1-0 up at Broughton. But here 0-0 Caersws and Dolgellau. It's a good interception by Ash Harries on halfway, but Dolgellau are going to head it back over there. Thomas Edwards puts it through. Hesden's going to chase on, and Tyler Andrews had to come right to the edge of his box to claim that under the feet of Rhys Hesden. His throw out was on Paul Lewis, but Lewis tackles himself really, and Sam Phillips has got a cross in the box. It's stabbed away there by Joey Jones, and there's the chance of a shot by Ashley Harries from the edge of the box. He just really leant back so far, it didn't keep it down at all. And there we are, it is another goal kick. So, waiting now for this, Tyler Andrews. With the goal kick, he sliced it and it's gone straight out and it's not even made halfway. Caersws advantage, Lyndon Jones straight there with the throw in now. Dylan Brown makes space, but he doesn't choose him, and he chooses a player who's surrounded by Dolgellau players, and in the end has to put the ball out for a throw in himself. Dion James. Oh. Referee didn't like where it was taken from. And see, there was too much play on that. That's where he started from last time, ref. I mean, you know, Gavin Williams back with header. Morris doesn't get it. And Caersws now, Sam Phillips trying to play a central attacking midfield here. Gets the ball down to Humphreys. Humphreys put it down the right. Hesden's running towards it in the corner flag. But there's a good bit of work there by Gitov Pugh. So he just let it go through his legs and out before Hesden could pounce on that. Gitov Pugh, one of the youngsters playing for Dolgellau, got lots of promise there. Oh, Oshan Morris, another one coming back from that horrendous dislocated kneecap that we were unfortunately at. The game that stopped for 45 minutes because of waiting for him to get attention, get an ambulance. Tommy Rowlands has it, flicks it to the edge of the box now. Lyndon Jones. Jones gets, doesn't get past the defence. Great bit of work there by Dion James. Got deflection, and deflection actually got to Morris, but Morris tried to step on the ball, and Caersws defence not having any of it. And it's got back to Max Williams, who really hasn't had a touch up to now. So, ball for Tom Andrews. Andrews and Thomas Andrews, the refs let that challenge go. It was Daniel Thomas coming in on him. But to be honest, I thought Andrews just got himself in a mess with his legs there. And Caersws get the ball, and Hesden has it, and Hesden's putting it across. A little bit too far for Phillips, but he picks it up anyway. Phillips looks up, does a deft back heel, and they're going to play from the defence. Lyndon Jones is free, and he's been given the ball. That's a bit too much, Harry. A bit too much from Harry Cotton there. To be honest, by the time they decided to do that, the defender was already up there. Cardiff Met 1, Taftswell 0. Jasper Payne, the scorer, put Talbot 1, Avon Lido 0. That's a little crunch game going on there. And it wasn't. Scorer is whoever it is. I'll come back to that here. Caersws of the ball. Humphreys trying to put it forward. Paul Lewis trying to play it out. Reese Hesden just gets a foot in, but it doesn't go out. And there's a lovely lofted ball for Oisin Morris. It's been headed back, but Gerwin Williams has it. Tidies up into midfield. Bates gets it back to Paul Lewis. Lewis looks up. Puts another long ball forward towards Morris, but it's too close to the box. And Max Williams will just pick that one up. Jordan Edwards for Port Talbot. And Cara Ely have 1-0 on Morriston. Still 0-0 here. But then there really has only been 11 minutes so far. Here comes Tommy Rowlands. Looping ball over the defence. Skittle Pugh doesn't get a boot to it, but it's going to bounce. Oh, it's bounced quite well, and Pugh has just put it past. Oh! Reese Hesden jumped on that as the ball came back. Tyler Andrews thought for a second that he had the ball. At the last minute, Gitto Pugh thought he needed to give it a nod on. It went behind the goalkeeper, who was nowhere, and Reese Hesden's pace just came in there. And he thought that he was going to get the ball in the bottom left-hand corner. He just put it past the far post. And that was nearly a mistake of their own making. There's the ball forward. And Lyndon Jones intercepts. Skittle Pugh gets into that. Paul Lewis holds on, but he's run into too many blue shirts, and Sam Phillips can tidy. Looks up, puts the ball on the right. Tommy Rowlands is swapped over that wing. Just too far for him. It's going to be another goal kick. See, Gresford now have taken the lead against Llanrug. Nice home game for them. Ball has come into the half, into the Caersws half, and Danny Thomas has it. He's trying to go round the defence. He just wins the throw in as Lyndon Jones comes across. Lyndon Jones came with Tommy Rowlands from Bilthwells at the end of last season. Was it the second half of the season? But whereas Rowlands has been in the first team, Lyndon Jones hasn't so much. And Dolgellau make a mess of the throw. And Caersws get a chance to clear out. Oh, it's a good interception there by Daniel Thomas. And now they have a chance. And it's Rob Evans going forward. He puts a shot in. It comes off defender's arm. Oh, don't worry. It comes off defender's leg. And Max Williams, it just trickled towards him in the end. But Dolgellau did have a shot. Edwards putting the ball through. Max Williams, well, the ball's come back. Tyler Andrews is out of his box to take that. And he slips as he gets the ball forward, and it's only on halfway. But Ash Harries can only lift it over the Dolgellau tackle and put it out for a throw. So Dolgellau now have a bit more. There's Gitto Pugh, lovely long ball forward for Oisin Morris. Once again, that is the tactic. At the moment, Caersws are dealing with it. Ashley Jones gets it, but it is with Dolgellau again. That's a bit of an ask. Oh, just too much of an ask on Dion James there from Rob Evans. As the throwing comes back, and it's with the goalkeeper Max Williams being harassed by Dolgellau. Caersws playing it across the goal. Harry Cotton using all his experience there, gets it back to Max Williams. Williams looks up. I can take all day. Toe prods it out of his box and then lifts it forward down the right wing. Bit too much for his own players, but they've got a throw in on halfway. Flint now have a second against Bow Street, and it is come back with the scorer. Nice ball forward by Ashley Harries. Lyndon Jones has it, gets past James, tries the second time, he just manages to accidentally prod it forward himself. Thomas Edwards now has it for Caersws though, and they're coming towards the edge of the box. Oisin Morris as Dolgellau clear, and Paul Lewis lifting the ball forward for Oisin Morris again. He can't get hold of it though as Jake Humphreys is on him. And they've done their homework about Oisin Morris because he's not getting any chances at all. Elliot Reeves has scored the second goal for Flint Town. There's a ball forward now. So you can hear the train going past, it's right next to us. Hence the going down the rabbit hole, which is a small railway underbridge. Say, put a video up earlier of my my journey. The secret is to pull your wing mirrors in. That's a lovely long ball forward. Tommy Rowlands has a chance to lob the keeper, and it's just past the far post again. Trying to, as the Dolgellau defence comes up, they are really trying, Caersws are really trying to play the ball behind them, but it's not worked as well. It's come close a few times now. (3-0) now to Flint at Bow Street. Elliot Reeves again. Well, that wasn't the best of kicks, but it's just got to halfway. Gitter Pugh gets rid of it. That's a nice ball across to Thomas. And Thomas wins the free kick for the challenge. Just over halfway in the Caersws half. And Dennis Bates is going to look up and take. Bates is going to hoist this one towards the box. Everybody lining up just outside. Long ball, Paul Lewis going towards it. It does get the nod in, but it's cleared, but only as far as Paul Lewis, but his touch goes straight off. And Caersws have the goal kick. Oh, that was a lovely ball by Cotton. Finds Hesden, takes it down for... well, for Reese Hesden's standards, that was poor, but he brought the ball down, but then it just ran away from him and off. Paul Lewis with the throw. Humphreys intercepts. Ball's come through. Hesden gets the ball up. And... Dolgellau get the throw in. Despite a few protestations, Dylan Brown there claiming that it was otherwise. Ball is forward, easily cut out by Thomas Edwards. Nice bit of work there by Lyndon Jones, and he's ridden the tackle and he's away down the left. James trying to do it. This is great cross going up. Perfect height for Hesden to get up for it, but he just could not get onto it. And Reese Hesden just glanced the ball to the side. As Caersws have had chances, 5 or so at least, but not one has been on target. And Craig Williams won't be happy with that at all. As I've said before, he's got strength on the bench. Nice ball lifted forward. Ash Harries gets it back. Hesden trying to put the ball through, and Dolgellau forced to give the corner. Which Sam Phillips is going to take on the right, down by the trees. Caersws playing towards the river. Short, bit low. Gavin Williams scrambles it away and it's come out. Morris has got hold of it. Morris turns and puts, oh, it's a lovely ball through there for Griffith, but just didn't go for him. Lyndon Jones gets it. He's ridden the challenge. Thought the ref would stop that, but it is getting a bit scrappy here, a little bit feisty, and Reece Hesden gets the ball through for a throw. Ball's come back now. And it is Joey Jones getting it across to get up Pugh. Bit of a meaty pass to Lewis, but Lewis gets away with it, turns it round and leaves Sam Phillips. It's got to halfway, Cottam intercepts it. But Dolgellau robbed the ball. And Gavin Williams going for it. It's picked up by Rob Evans. He's got the ball. Oh, tackle on Griffith there. Perfect by Humphreys. Another throw in. Ash Harries clearing the ball, and this time Caersws have it on halfway. So just 22 minutes gone so far here. It is goalless between Caersws and Dolgellau Athletic in the first round of the Welsh Cup. Ashley Jones puts a short ball forward to Dylan Brown. That's not the easiest one. He's had to give it back to his keeper. Gets the ball back. Gavin Williams is quite happy to run after that all day. There's a long ball by Max Williams. Why has Tyler Andrews come out? Oh, Reece Hesden had a chance there. Tyler Andrews came out of his box for the ball, headed it when he could have let it run, and he headed it straight to Reece Hesden. And as he was scrambling back to get towards his goal, Reece Hesden tried to set himself up, but sliced the ball, missed it basically. So Dolgellau have got the luck at the moment. Rubber the green. Here they are now in the centre. Gavin Williams making space, getting a shot just over the crossbar. Nice shot that as well. Just couldn't keep it down. Penabont have a second against Britain Ferry Llantarnol now in the Welsh Cup. Here it is goalless between Caersws and Dolgellau. We're 23 minutes now. Yes, only 60 seconds still. It's the last time I told you. Lovely long ball for Reece Hesden, and he's got down the wing. He's trying to put the ball across. There's nobody coming into the box to meet it. That's going to be very depressing for Reece Hesden, having made all that work. Here comes Gavin Williams trying to get the ball through, forces Ashley Jones to put the ball out for a throw. Holywell Town will take the lead against Ross Tallen as well. Maybe I'll pick up with goal scorers at half time. Dion James, it's not the best of balls. It bounced up on Rob Evans, but he's held off two challenges. He can get the ball wide to Paul Lewis. Oh, brings it down first touch, but his pass was intercepted, although he's tackled Caersws. We now have to play it back to the back line. Harry Cottam just trying to calm things down. Thomas Andrews. Andrews getting the ball, puts it across. Cottam again. Nice long ball down the right. Hesden started running onto, but checked when he saw it wasn't going to stay on. Goal kick. Anyway, Airbus have taken the lead at Holyhead Hotspur in the Welsh Cup also. And Llanrhaeadr and Mochthant have equalised at home to Kevin Albion in the Ardal North East. Gerwyn Williams halfway gets the ball. Despite the challenge, Morris picks up the ball forward, gets a nice one across to Dan Thomas. Thomas checks, but he's put too much on it, and he brings down Lyndon Jones as he reaches out for the ball. And he's stopped straight away to make sure that the player is okay. It's just let the ball go too far and then stretched out as Lyndon Jones was riding past, and it was a clear foul, but no intent there. The refs treated it as such. Referee today's Ross Mantle, supported by Gavin Maloney and Katie Hanna. Katie Hanna was at the Newtown Brickfield game last Friday, I seem to remember. Anyway, free kick just outside the box for Caersws. Max Williams is going to take it, and he's just passing it across to Tom Edwards. He's going to build it up from the back. Give it back to the goalkeeper. Well, certainly slowing the tempo by doing this. But Thomas Edwards puts a long ball forward for Reece Hesden. Gittelpugh just gets the chest in the way and then boots the ball clear. It's gone across. Will Griffith comes across, picks it up, tries to keep it in, doesn't manage it. So, ball's coming through, and it is Dylan Brown who's cleared it back. The back line now on halfway for Caersws. Thomas Edwards putting it down the left. Lyndon Jones trying to take on Dan James. He does. Gets a nice ball in. It's diving header out by the manager, Rob Evans. Clearance by Gerwyn Williams. Not much power on the header, and Caersws pick it up again on halfway. Ash Jones gets it across. Well, it's picked up by Humphreys. He went down, the referee told him to get up. As Paul Lewis just got the ball back. Oh, he didn't touch it, it's a goal kick. Trail the Bay now 2-0 up on Broughton United. The ball is through. Paul Lewis once again getting through, and Gerwyn Williams heading it forward. Not too much power. Caersws get it and chip it forward for Gittelpugh to clear. As Paul Lewis gets it, does get a handball. Okay. He was unfortunate. Hit his thigh, went upwards, glanced off his arm. I suppose his arm was up, and that's not a natural position for anybody. Here come Caersws, putting the ball in the box. Oh, Tyler Andrews going through. He nearly missed that punch, I thought, but he got rid of it. And the clearance has been deflected off by Caersws. Dolgellau trying to hold on to it. Martian Morris, he gets the throw in just on halfway. It's through here now. Dion James has it. Gerwyn Williams trying to put it down the right wing. Not on target, and none of his players moved anyway. Caersws will get that throw in. 4 minutes left in the lunchtime game. Bow Street 0, Flint Town United 3. Lyndon Jones now puts the ball through for Caersws to halfway, but it is easily picked up by Gitter Pugh. Pugh gets it across to Paul Lewis, who gives it back to Pugh, and Pugh has to put it back to Andrews. His clearance isn't the best, not today. I've seen him do better. Ball's through, Joey Jones clears it. There's a nice turn on that. And, well, Dan Thomas had the ball there. Referee let the challenge go. And to be honest, he's let all those kind of challenges go. So, you know, both teams should be aware of this by now. That's interpretation of the rules, and that's what you've got to play. Don't bother shouting out, not that it stops people. So here we are, Caersws. Oh, it's a poor pass from defence, and Dolgellau have it and lose it again. Dylan Brown comes in, tidies up from the original error, gets it back to Tom Edwards. Edwards puts it across and he's got it back to his goalkeeper, Max Williams. It's 2:30, everybody. I have an alarm for 2:30, it would seem, on my mobile. Oh, Tommy Rowlands just fell over there as the ball was coming behind him, and Dolgellau pick it up on halfway. Asher Morris gets it. James puts the ball forward down the right. Tom Edwards reads it perfectly and then wins the throw-in. Well, we got a goal at Newport City. It's gone to the home team against Penygrigue United, finalists in the FA Trophy last season, newly promoted to Tier 4, but having lost their top striker, they not quite as potent as they were, but last season they were playing like a Tier 3 team. But Newport City, totally different gravy. Top end of the Cymru South. Gerwyn Williams has it. Oh, he's got the ball back across the edge of the box, but it's a bit wayward, and Sam Phillips gets a chance to sort of drift across and get the ball to the left. He's giving it back to Edwards. Edwards gets a chance to give it. No. Creates a gap, and it's with Lyndon Jones. Jones, a little bit of a nudge, and this time the referee has seen it. Dion James. Lyndon Jones. Sorry, it's not. I can't read my writing. My brain doesn't connect without a decent matcher. And anyway, Tom Edwards has put the ball across from the free kick. Gary Cottam gets the ball down. It's with Hesden now on halfway. He's got the ball to Sam Phillips. Not the best of passes. Easily picked up by Dennis Bates. Dolgellau have it. Oisin Morris just over halfway. Challenge goes through. Ash Jones picks it out. Tom Edwards is going to run away with it despite two challenges, and there was a very late challenge there by Seb Daniel Thomas on him. Referees played advantage from what I could see. Sam Phillips has it. Good tackle by Gerwyn Williams. Sam Phillips sent flying by it, but they have it. Down the wing, Griffith showed too much to Cottam, and Cottam plays the ball off Will Griffith for a goal kick. Well, the ref is letting a lot of challenges, a lot of physical challenges go, and that can tip over in a game. You have to keep it careful, keep a lid on things. 33 minutes gone here. Caersws 0, Dolgellau Athletic 0 in the Welsh Cup. Long ball forward to Reece Hesden. Oh, it's got two in. Joey Jones intercepts. Got a real problem with Jones today, haven't I? Just as well, the first time I was at a Dolgellau game, they had 7 Joneses in the first team, and the game was abandoned due to an injury. Lyndon Jones puts the ball down the wing. It's come back now to Tom Edwards. High press there, and a good bit of blocking there by Daniel Thomas. And in the end, Dolgellau get the ball, and the ball has come clear, and it looks like it's stuck on the roof. So we get another ball. No, it went over the roof. Ball's come forward. On the throw by Dion James. Goes straight back out, just about where he threw it from. And Gressford now 3-0 up on Llanrug. Still 0-0 here. Could be anybody's game at the moment, or Caersws have had more chances. Ball forward, Rob Evans can't keep it down. Joey Jones getting in the way there. Good central defence. Paul Lewis comes in, takes the header on halfway. And Will Griffith has it. Holds on to the ball. Gets it across to... Can he get it to midfield? He does. Rob Evans just flicks up off his boot. The ball has gone back. Dolgellau put it back into the midfield, but Lyndon Jones has it. It's a good feint there. Sent Rob Evans the wrong way. Sent Oisin Morris the wrong way. He doesn't get past Paul Lewis. He just sticks a boot out, and the ball is there. Rob Evans now trying to put the ball forward. Caersws intercept. Ball come down again, and good bit of work there by Joey Jones, feinting as he's going through, so Caersws don't know where he's going, and in the end he's got the ball safely back to the keeper, and Dolgellau now on halfway. Dennis Bates, in deflection, and Caersws have it, but they get tackled, and now it's with Daniel Thomas. There you go, Daniel Thomas back with Bates. Dion James cut out for a throw-in. Bow Street 0, Flint Town United 3 is the final score. Down the road, the other side of Plym Lermont. Job done for Flint Town. Good to see Bow Street get a bit of a spotlight. The Magpies 3-0. Not a bad result really. But here's Dolgellau trying to make something of it, but Caersws not letting him get close to the box. Put one in now, but there's nobody in the box, and Edwards waits for it to stop bouncing and then puts the ball to halfway. And they play it back so that they can put their way up. Not many people running off the ball to make themselves available. Reece Hesden is all the time, and he's got it finally on halfway though, but he's put the ball down the right wing, gets the ball back. Now he can go into the centre. Oh, he puts it past Joey Jones. He's gone down as Joey Jones gets the tackle in, and the referee's just straight away said, get up. Dolgellau playing the ball out, get to Pugh. Pugh putting the ball forward, Williams getting under it. It's cleared by Dylan Brown. It's a good one for Hesden, but Hesden doesn't get a chance to jump. Rob Evans. Dennis Bates on halfway. Putting it back across the back line this time, Dolgellau. Joey Jones. There you go, Dylan Brown now getting it for Caersws. Lyndon Jones has it, gets it back to Brown. And it's there with Ash Jones. Two Ashleys in the back line doesn't help. It's a nice ball forward. Is it offside? No, it's not. Linesman's flag is down. Tommy Rowlands has it, puts it ball forward. It's just intercepted by Rob Evans as he lunges forward there to get rid of the ball. And it's gone off for a throw. Seven minutes left, plus any stoppages, of which there has hardly been any. I think the only stoppage of note was losing the ball over the stand. Oh, Caersws going down the right. Good bit of work. Oh, fantastic bit of work by Gito Pugh. And a yellow card to Tommy Rowlands for complaining about that a little bit vociferously, as Gito Pugh just stepped in between him, and then Tommy Rowlands was pinged for grabbing his Pugh's waist as Pugh rounded him and was about to get rid of the ball. And then the argument afterwards. It's a cheap yellow card. There's a ball forward, or straight to a Caersws head. Ball's gone back up again, but Caersws get under it again, and this time they get a throw in. Tom Edwards putting ball forward. Feisty one, but Lyndon Jones gets it. There's nobody running off though. Yes, forced to go back. Dylan Brown. Brown looks up, chips the ball forward for Tommy Rowlands to run onto, and he's away, but just too much on that ball. He went forward, nobody else did. Another 5 minutes to this. It's stalemate at the moment. Caersws and Dolgellau. As close as I anticipated, to be honest. It's Tyler Andrews. Andrews flicks the ball up. Met very easily by Asharis on halfway. Let's put it back for a Dolgellau throw in. The Caersws need to make more of this. They do have the edge on possession. Tyler Andrews puts the ball forward. It's a nice flick on by Ocean Morris, but intended target Dan Thomas was way out on the right wing. So don't forget, other games on today is Matthew is right out in County Durham for a 3 o'clock kickoff, where Spennymoor Town take on Merthyr Town in the National League North. 3 o'clock kickoff, as I say. But here in the Welsh Cup, it is 0-0, Caersws and Dolgellau. Caersws going forward, try and make space now. But they just end up with the back line and putting it across, and Dolgellau quite happy to sit back and let them. They've got the ball down. Humphreys trying to get somewhere, and Paul Lewis just puts his body in the way. And what we got? Oh, he's got a throw in. The linesman tells him to take 2 paces further down to take the throw. Interesting. It's gone through. Rob Evans getting a lot of the ball there, but Ash Jones intercepts, and as Gito Pugh tidies up, Paul Lewis gets the ball through. Goes down with a challenge though, but it is a throw into Dolgellau. .42 minutes, 3 minutes left plus stoppages. Paul Lewis once again have it. He's been so busy on the left hand flank for Dolgellau. Digs the ball out, tries to put it down the wing, but there's nobody running onto it, and Caersws have a throw in and getting it back to the keeper. Not really looking. I mean, they've got the likes of Sam Phillips and Reese Hesden. You've got Tommy Rowlands. There's so much pace in the Caersws front. And Sam Phillips is standing on the right hand side, hands on hips. He's got nobody around him. And then they went the other way. Reese Hesden curls it across to Cossum. Cossum puts it in the centre. Rowlands now has it. Rowlands puts the ball down the right wing. Still not got Sam Phillips. It's gone in. And that wasn't a bad ball. It just bounced just too far in front of Reese Hesden. But he would have been ready for that. Well, lots of things to talk about at half time before I go and have my little break. But I'll give you a rundown of the scores. There's been quite a few. None here though. Oh, that's another poor one by Tyler Andrews. Didn't get halfway, but Dolgellau scramble it clear. Ash Jones puts a long one back. That's to Tyler Andrews, and he can kick this one from hand. And Dolgellau screaming for time. Take your time. He's not going to kick it from hand. Drills it over halfway. It's right down on Gavin Williams' head, but too many blue shirts in the way. Nice flick by Tommy Rowlands as Lyndon Jones tried to get the ball through. To Tom Andrews. And Caersws will get the throw. Lyndon Jones is going to take. I can't see that really Caersws should be playing for time. Gerwin Williams now has it in dangerous position. He's put the ball just past the post. Just a little bouncing ball from just outside a penalty D, but it was always going past the post. I think Max Williams had that one covered all the way. As we approach injury time or stoppage time or whatever we'd like to call it. It's now with Ash Harries. That was an awful ball forward down the wing. Sam Phillips. Body language of Sam Phillips is quite forlorn at the moment. It is half time, so not many stoppages at all. A bit of a delay there to the start for us. It's been 5 minutes in. There's still no score here. Caersws and Dolgellau. And Dolgellau have the ball. Morris trying to do something. Cotton on him. Paul Lewis putting a ball forward to the edge of the box, but it's easily picked up by Ash Harries. And Caersws don't clear it. The ball's come forward. Ossian Morris is offside. It's actually Will Griffith as well, after I stumbled over his name. But free kick anyway. Caersws get a chance to clear their lines. Dolgellau complaining about where the free kick was taken. There's the ball out. Reece Hesden puts it across. Dylan Brown has it, puts it wide to the left. Lyndon Jones puts in, gets a deflection from his shot, and it's gone off for a corner. Don't think they needed to worry too much about where it was taken. It wasn't that much difference, and to be perfectly honest, just get on with it, because Caersws benefited then and could have put themselves ahead. Short corner, it's come wide, it's crossed into the box. Williams gets under it. It's cleared by Dolgellau, but Ash Jones had a chance, just taken off his foot as he teed himself up for a shot. Caersws now, and Reece Hesden's the last man. Basically, he's put a lovely ball forward down the left again for Tommy Rowlands. He's put the cross in the box. Ash Jones just can't keep it down as he rose up for that header. Gresford have goal number 4 now. Different Roberts this time, Ewan Roberts. 4-0 against Llanrug. You can hear the Dolgellau bench, because although we're halfway, we are much closer to the Dolgellau bench, and they are downwind of us, or upwind of us, in the and the crowd is between us and the Caersws bench. Anyway, gets up Pugh. Gavin Williams tries to get it in halfway, but Caersws intercept, get the ball back. It's going forward now with Ash Harries. Harries gets it to the wing. Nice one in. Headed clear by Joey Jones. And Dolgellau clear their lines, and the throw-in's way back in the Caersws midfield. The longer it goes on, the more dangerous it's going to be for Caersws, I think. Trying their best. Humphreys having a no. Screaming at Dylan Brown, who was having a whinge with the ref. Humphreys wanted to give him the throw-in. Is the ball coming down? Intercepted by Dolgellau, by Rob Evans. Williams doesn't sit up well for him. Sam Phillips comes in and tidies and gets the ball, and he's, well, Rob Evans has to be careful there as Sam Phillips got the ball through. Rob Evans just sort of yanked Sam Phillips to the ground by his neck, pulling his shirt, and here's a free kick. The refs let it at that. And Gavin Williams is not 10. But Sam Phillips gets the ball, and he's trying to put a fast ball through, but Dolgellau have got everybody behind the ball. Oh, it's a good run through though, and they win the free kick. Caersws. So as Gresford have goal number 5 against Llanrug. Holyhead are now 4-2 down against Airbus. Well, Sam Phillips, midway in the Dolgellau half with a free kick, drifted slightly to the left, puts it nicely into the centre, flicked on. Tyler Andrews lets the ball bounce against his chest and come off, but there's nobody running onto it, so he's quite happy to take that. And kicking from hand, he's well over halfway with that, and the ball's come through, and Will Griffith is trying to get under it. Harry Cottam in the way. There's Tom Edwards trying to float the ball forward for Tommy Rowlands. Well, Joey Jones missed the header, but Rowlands wasn't placed for it, wasn't anticipating that. And here they come now, Caersws, edge of the box, chance for a shot, ricocheted off, and I think the ref's given the corner, yep. Bit more effort now from Caersws. Try the bay of a fourth against Broughton United. See what the corner will elicit. This is Sam Phillips once again. Curls one near post. Oh, it's drifted. Gito Pugh. So going backwards with the ball and then turned around and lifted it out. But Sam Phillips gets a chance to put another one through. He doesn't. Another ball goes to back post, and Dolgellau keep the ball in. That may not have been good as Cotton gets it across the line to Jones. But Jones is bundled off the ball by Morris. He did get the ball, but it was the upper body push as Lyndon Jones went in for it that the referee didn't like. Sam Phillips with a free kick, midway, slightly to the right. Oh, it's got it to Caersws' head, can't get it forward, but it's back with Cotton, puts the ball up. It's going to be cleared by Dolgellau. Only towards the centre circle, it's picked up by Humphreys. He's put a quick ball to Harry Cotton. Cotton nearly gets tackled. Reece Hesden, deft back at field there, and just cleared out by Dolgellau. And Caersws really in the ascendancy at the moment. Nice ball through. Oh, diving header. Just off target. Tommy Rowlands. Well, it's going to be a goal kick now. Rather be 5-0 up than Broughton. Still no goals here. Caersws and Dolgellau, 58 minutes gone. That's not the best of goal kicks. And Caersws get the ball back, and Sam Phillips has it, and he's onside, and he's just the edge of the box. He's run into too many yellow shirts, and they managed to clear the ball out. Caersws. It's the ball on. Oh, it's flicked in. Didn't get much of a touch on it, but it bounced towards Tyler Andrews. He had to punch it clear, and Dolgellau do get it to halfway, but Caersws are coming backwards, get hold of the ball. Dennis Bates with the meaty challenge to make sure it goes out. No, it doesn't. Hesden just boots it in. It's towards the edge of the box. Bit of a route one, but it's worked. And Rob Evans has it now on midfield. Can he hold on to the ball? Can he? Yeah, he's just holding it up for a moment, letting his players get ready, and he's put it down the right for Oisin Morris, and the Dolgellau break, and Morris gets it. Morris gets round Humphreys. Humphreys still with him. Humphreys still challenging. Morris still has it. Gets it back. Dion James. Dion James puts it in the box, easily cleared out by Caersws. And now Rowlands has it, gives it to Hesden. Hesden working, pushing it forward. Hesden making space, puts a shot. Oh, full stretch. Andrews had it, and the second one. He's coming, but there is an offside flag. Good play by Tyler Andrews, though. First shot by Reece Hesden. He had to full stretch on the ground and just flicked it clear. And then, as work it out now, it was Dylan Brown who was racing in to try and square the ball back into the net. The goalkeeper got up and just flung himself at the ball and managed to deflect it out, but it's been given as goal kick. He did say it was an offside, but there we go. Who knows? Secrets and mysteries of the Referee's well to get Pugh. The overhead kick to clear, just goes into the centre. Tommy Rowland's underneath and he gets the ball wide for Lyndon Jones. Jones going down the left, gets the ball in. Oh, it's just taken away from Hesden. Get another chance. Ash Harries just couldn't get it there, and Griffith has it now for Dolgellau. Still in their half though, still in danger. Gitto Pugh trying to go for a clearance. Ash Harries gets in the way, gets the ball. Gitto Pugh, he keeps it, takes it off Harries just before it went off for a corner. Sam Phillips has it though, edge of the box, turns, there's too much on it, and Dolgellau can clear. Which Harries is going for. Harry Cotton really marshalling people now. Long ball down the left, but there's too much on it. And we can breathe. 61 minutes, it's still Caersws 0, Dolgellau 0. One of 4 games in the Welsh Cup which are at 0-0, including Malden New Saints, Porthmadog, Buckley and Bangor and Guilsfield. Each Grassford 5, Llanrug 0 is the latest. The referee doesn't like the throw-in, I think. That's going to be retaken. Cardiff Met now 3-0 up on Towswell. Kyrite Unia was second, home to Morriston. Trevelyan now stretch their lead. And Pure Swansea to 3-1. And Carnarvon have a second at Newtown. 2-0. You've got a drop ball. I think the referee got in the way of the ball, so he's dropped the ball to Caersws, who are playing it along the back line, who are up at the centre circle. Humphreys gets it back to Mitten. Mitten puts it through. Dylan Brown tidies up, turns round, looks up, puts a lovely ball forward, and it's missed by the Dolgellau defence, and here goes Lyndon Jones, and he's flicked it in. There's a chance. Oh my word, what a miss. Tommy Rowlands whirled at his feet, and he put the ball in Gessie Dowith. Holywell have a second now against Ross Tuttlin. 2-0. Here comes the ball going through again. Ash Jones underneath. Dolgellau clear. Gary Williams-Well is robbed by his own player, Dennis Bates there, but Dolgellau have it. No, Caersws have it now. Humphreys, Dylan Brown, just a second too long on it. Ash Jones having to tidy, and they're having to give the ball. Oh, don't give it back to the keeper. That might have been a mistake as well. Griffith guts in. Dylan Brown takes the ball off him, tries to put the ball forward, and they've got Tommy Rowlands, and he's onside. He's in the box, puts it through, hits it straight at the goalkeeper, who drops the ball full on, his hands outstretched, palm up. Full on hit his hands, but dropped straight at his feet, and he grabbed hold of it then. And Dolgellau clear again. Apologies for any language coming off this. It's Paul Lewis now with the throw in the Caersws half. It's come across, Dennis Bates picks it up. It's played advantage, come on with it. Dennis Bates got a challenge, played it, the ref played advantage. He went down to the wing and then put it across. It hit the side netting, but the rest of his team just stopped. And that's what advantage is for. We're trying to... Dolgellau bench getting really nicely warm with their criticism of the refereeing. I can see a few cards coming their way if they don't shush. Llanefydd had taken the lead against Penrhyn Coch And Caersws now have the ball just coming out their half now. George Mitten. George Mitten? He's not on the pitch. Harry Cottam. Ball through. It's Tommy Rowlands. He's put it wide for Phillips. Phillips was already on the run, but he's checked and got back for it. Nice interception. And Humphreys got the ball, made sure it didn't go out. And he's coming across the midfield, gets it back to Ash Jones. Jones puts a long ball forward to the left. But nobody's running on that far. They're just missing it now. Newport City 3, Penargyne United 1 is the latest. "66 minutes gone here in the Welsh Cup round 1. Caersws 0, Dolgellau Athletic 0. Tyler Andrews put it through. Caersws trying to get under it. A few headers just going straight up. Gary Williams felt that he was held as he tried to get out of the way. And here come Caersws now, trying to put the ball across the middle. Ash Harries just flicked it straight up to Dennis Bates, and Will Griffith comes in, but Caersws take it off his toes, and Dylan Brown now has it out to Rowlands. Rowlands gets a cross into the box. It's missed by Gito Pugh. It's missed by the Caersws player. Sam Phillips has a chance, and Paul Lewis deflects it off for a corner. Trowen have equalised against Lloyd Coyd. It's Carmarthen 2, Thomas 1. And it is 3-0 to Barry at Aberystwyth. They won't be too happy with that, the green and blacks. And Sam Phillips, long far post corner. It's gone too wide. Thomas Edwards picks it up though, gets down, tries to flick the ball in. Donkey kick from Tommy Rowlands, doesn't quite, it's not clear. It's still not clear. Lewis comes in, he's flattened by Harry Cottam as he went up for that. He got the header and then got hit in the head by Harry Cottam, who's having a debate with the referee about it. There is a substitution coming on. It's a double sub for Dolgellau. And it will be Nathan Morris and Jake Jones. And they are coming on for player manager Rob Evans and number 15 Dion James. So Dolgellau first at making substitutions there. A new double sub there for the defense, for the attack, I'd say. It's going to be a free kick for Dolgellau at the edge of their box because of that foul on Paul Lewis. Put it forward. It's long. Gary Williams gets a header, sets it off. Will Griffith really wasn't ready to run on there. It's not a betting man. If he was, he'd have gone. There we go. Caersws coming through. Halfway, gets the ball forward. Lewis intercepts the ball, just turns round Phillips and Hesden and gets the ball forward beautifully. Oisin Morris, good touch, but not the best actually, but he's got it down to Thomas at the wing. Thomas is tackled though by Thomas Edwards, having a good game. Slips as he gets the ball clear. The Caersws play it to halfway. Joey Jones intercepts. It's going to be a throw. Rill have taken the lead against Brickfield Rangers. It's 1-0 there. So Coyd have retaken the lead against Trowen Stars. 2-1. Harry Cottam. No, Ash Jones is giving it to they're playing it across the back, but there's nobody. I mean, goodness, Reese Hesden is totally unmarked. On the halfway, he's got the ball, strokes it badly. It's come in. Jake Jones, who has now taken over captaincy, has basically taken hold of that. But Caersws get it forward. Tommy Williams doesn't take it down, and as Reese Hesden comes in to take a shot, he's deemed offside. It's going to be a free kick. So this is 70 minutes, 20 minutes left of this game. Just a reminder that any cup matches that finish level go straight to penalties. But Caersws are now changing their attacking options, and Callum Page is coming on and Tommy Rowlands is coming off. He's not looking the happiest bunny. Tommy Rowlands probably thinks he has more to give, but Callum Page offers just that much more in the centre with his height and presence. Brestford 6, Lanrig 0. It is Mould 0, New Saints 1. Ryan Astles has put to bed all the dreams of most of Wales, to be honest. There's a ball forward. Oh, Karen Williams challenge for the ball there. Pugh gets hold of it though. Bates getting it across. Jake Jones. Griffith gets a late challenge on him. And as Griffith is through, Jake Humphreys came in. I think the collision of his foot as he was reaching for the ball with Will Griffith led to some lower back pain. And there we go. It's going to be Dennis Bates to take it. The two quite happy. Griffith and Humphreys, so they shake hands. Bates swings the ball into the box. Nobody there. Set for Caersws. Another shot. Never came down there for Daniel Thomas. Just looped that one in. That one probably went into the next field. It's going to be a goal kick to Caersws. Ross Tuttlin have a goal back against Holywell. Douglas scored there. See if we've got any other while we wait for the goal kick. Newport City 3, Penargyrive United 1, Barrytown now 4-0 up against Aberystwyth, and Cumbraen have equalised at Llantwit Major. Carmarthen 4, Thomas Bluebirds 1. The ball comes back. Oh, cleared out by Max Williams, but not very far. And now they have it on halfway. Now Callum Page is going, and he's put a lovely ball forward for Sam Phillips down the right, going to the byline. Turns round though, goes round the corner, tries to flick it forward, doesn't work. And Harry Cottam has to tidy it up in midfield, and Gerwin Williams has got the ball. He's intercepted, and it's stayed in, and he's racing down the left now. Gerwin Williams into the box, goes forward. Oh, it's just... and he just falls to the floor in anguish. He just checked then as he saw that the ball was coming through. Callum Page trying to get the ball through as well now at the other end, but it's gone off. And Gerwin Williams just checked as he saw Harry Cottam sliding in with the challenge, and then lost possession of the ball. So the chance was gone. What a break that was. Paul Lewis putting the ball forward. Can't do anything with that. Gerwin Williams has to come back, which he does. And he chases down the ball and he's intercepted. Max Williams trying to clear. Max Williams going through saying that he came in from an offside position. But there's another substitution coming on for Dolgellau, and this time Paul Lewis is coming off for Gethin Evans. Or no? Or is it Will Griffith going off? It is Will Griffith is going off, and Gethin Evans is coming on in his place. Talbot 2, Avonlido 1. Latest in the Welsh Cup here. 0-0 to Caersws and to Caersws. Caersws 0, Dolgellau 0. Just reiterate that. Let's come back. Caersws to move out. This is really still anybody's game. It's a close game. Caersws building up from the back is such a slow thing, but here comes Rhys Hesden to the centre, towards the centre, gets it, and it's just been fed back again. Long ball, that's too far. Humphrey's never going to get that. Lewis. There he is, still there. Jake Jones got a head to it, but it's not gone anywhere. Thomas Edwards just deals with it, gets it back to Williams, who kicks it straight up from the penalty D. Dolgellau underneath it. Gethin Evans, his first touch. Mould have equalised against New Saints. Remember, he heard it first. Eddie Servetts, the scorer. Caersws 0, Dolgellau 0 here. 77 minutes gone. Thomas Edwards puts the ball down the wing. Sam Phillips trying to run onto it. Gets up Hughes in the way. And it's down again. Cleared for a throw into Caersws in their own half. Caersws 1, Trevelyan 4. Now the score, Britton Parry 0, Penabont 4 as Dolgellau. I'll try to clear it, but Callum Page gets the ball down the left wing. And it's Lyndon Jones. Jones trying to make space, gets a little chink of light there, doesn't get it back. Dylan Brown now has to play it back to halfway. Gets it again, he's going to put it along to Cotton. No, well, he gets himself into trouble there and he gets pocket picked. And Dolgellau come away with it. Garwin Williams puts a nice ball forward. It's down for Nathan Morris. Morris coming towards the goal. 3 players around him, but he still gets it back to Williams. Williams looks up and then puts a long ball across. Oisin Morris tries to help it on its way. It's coming in from the right. It's a flick. Williams blocked. And there's a chance. Oh, it's a howitzer coming down. It's a wedge shot if ever there was one, except it didn't come backwards, and it's off for a goal kick. Jeremy Williams had a chance there of a belter, but enough blue shirts to get in the way. Trowan Stars have equalised. 2-2 there. Cardiff Met 4, Tafswell 0. Still 0-0 here. Gresford 7, Llanrug 0 is the latest. Gilsfield have taken the lead at Bangor. And that's Sam Flory penalty. Gav Allen will be pretty pleased. I'm sure he can tell me all about it tomorrow. Here comes Caersws though. Rhys Hesden. Hesden back in the goal. Oh, it's passed! Lyndon Jones teed up for him on a plate and he puts it past the post. Some days it just doesn't go in. And here comes Max McLaughlin. Yeah, who's he coming on for?
Substitution in for Caersws, coming off in the 4, Ash Harris, coming on to the 6.
Ashley Harries is coming off for Max McLaughlin. And Max McLaughlin can turn a game. Garden Village 2, Glenheath Town 3 in the Welsh Cup? Wow. Okay. Ball is forward. Paul Lewis gets it through. Garwin Williams has helped on its way, but Harry Cosham's going to get there. Bobbling ball back to Max Williams, and he can't do much with it except put it high in the air, and Cosham's going to clear it. Phillips with a header, and Humphreys gives it straight up. And there's 10 minutes left here now, and it is still 0-0. And Dolgellau can sense something here. Caersws really need to bed down and get on with it. But Dolgellau with a throw in. Morris. It's gone through. McLaughlin has it. He's got it past two players and he gets levelled to the ground. Now, Jake Jones lunges in with the challenge. Got the ball according to the Dolgellau. Fouled according to Caersws. Referee went with the home team. Kevin Williams and Cotton shared a joke about it. But here we go. Caersws on halfway. Dylan Brown loses it. Putting the ball forward. And it is Lloyd 2, Trowing Stars 3. Cotton clearing with a header to Callum Page. Gets the ball and puts it down the left wing for Jones. Did he show too much? No, he's showed just enough and he's gone right the way down. Coming in now, putting a ball across. It's got everybody clear. Past everybody except Max McLaughlin, who teed it up for the Bowls Club next door. Not on target at all there. 9 minutes left here, 0-0. Game's beginning to come to their conclusion in the Welsh Cup. It's already been Bow Street 0, Flint Town United 3. An admirable display by the Tier 3 team, but Cymru Premier side just too strong for them. Here's Caersws going forward again. McLaughlin, nice ball down the wing. Here comes Rhys Hesden. Hesden against Gitto Pugh, gets it through. Paul Lewis comes in to tidy up. Hesden's with him though, as Lewis tries to stretch to the wing. But it's a throw in. It's going to be a quick throw in. No, it's not. But Hesden has it. Here's Hesden. Flicked across by Pugh. Well, the header hit the crossbar anyway, but there's a foul on Joey Jones, who's on the floor, remonstrating with the man in the crowd behind the goal about it, having a debate. Arms open like, come on, what expect to do? But it's still 0-0. Just waiting now. You go. Oh, ball forward. Harry Cotton's clearance has gone backwards and Morris is going to come in, but Tyler Andrews, no, Max Williams, other goalkeeper, he clears it, he drifts the ball out and kicks it from ground. Max McLaughlin gets through and Hesden gets a touch, but Gitto Pugh's underneath it. And Pugh puts a nice ball down, but there's nobody running onto it. And it's with Max Williams. Page. Callum Page, oh, he's challenged, but he gets the ball. Where was that? And Humphreys thought he kept it in, but he didn't. And Dolgellau going to make another sub. It looks like a possibly a double sub. No, Dion James needs to put the top on because he's still wearing his match shirt. But there looks like there is another sub coming up. That's a very, very clean shirt, you know. It's the yellowish shirt in the Dolgellau team, that is. But Ben Fisher coming on now. Ben Fisher going to come on for the Warhorse. No, not Paul Lewis. Paul Lewis walking off, but he's walking off to get the ball, and it's actually Daniel Thomas who's come off. Paul Lewis quite happy to stay on. Holywell 2, Ross Tuttlin 2. There's another shock score at the moment. Ross Tuttlin coming back from 2-0 down, away team against high-flying Tier 2 side Holywell. Gary Williams drifted back, lashed out, He said that his shirt has been pulled. He was certainly pulled back, but when he lashed out for the ball and just ended up flooring a Caersws player. The referee gave the free kick to Caersws. They're going to clear it now with Tom Edwards. Max McLaughlin has the ball towards the edge of the Dolgellau box. He drifts past the defence a bit, comes in, no, just ran into the Dolgellau defence, and now they can put a ball forward for Oisin Morris. He doesn't bring the ball down, and it's gone too far. And there's a sudden urgency with everybody now as Gresford get goal number 8 against Llanrug United. Here it's still 0-0. There are only 4 minutes left, plus a bit of stoppage. It looks like one goal would seal it, but it also looks like it might well go to penalties. And then it's anybody's game. Same in Mould, where it is 1-1 with 6 minutes left against the New Saints. Harry Cotton now. Caersws playing the ball forward. There's lots of frustration with the Caersws fans. They want it further forward. Well, Gavin Williams has put the ball down the wing. He's intercepted it. Oisin Morris gets the ball into the box, and across it's headed out. Chance for Jake Jones. Just didn't time his run right. He's got a deflection, and the ball skims back towards Max Williams, who rolls the ball out. And Caersws now coming forward, and there's a sudden urgency with both teams now as they go forward. Lyndon Jones gets it across. Sam Phillips. Phillips. Intercepted by Dolgellau. Gavin Williams putting it through. Again, here's Ben Fisher chasing Harry Cotton down. Cotton gets it back to his keeper, who puts the ball wide. Shot of the base, 6-0 up on Broughton United. Bangor have equalised against Gillsfield through Dylan Summers-Jones, of all people. I say that because he's such a regular scorer. Here it's still 0-0, 3 minutes left. This is about the only 0-0 left in the competition. I think it is. No, there's still Porthmadigan Buckley. The ball going forward by Caersws again. Getting it back, Lyndon Jones wins the throw. 2 minutes left here. Caersws 0, Dolgellau 0. Go to penalties if it's full time. And here comes final substitution. Callum Francis Jones is on. And he's coming on for Lyndon Jones. Run his heart out today as Lyndon Jones. But Callum Francis going straight in as this throw in, and they're looking to get a long one in. Looks like Reese Hesden with it, trying to get into the box. Everybody going for it. Here's Hesden with a bullet throw, headed clear by Gavin Williams with a scream. Oisin Morris heads it clear, and Tom Edwards has to go back to his own half now to pick the ball up. Gets it back to his keeper. Max Williams looks up and he's putting it straight forward. Bit of a lottery, but it's flicked on. Tyler Andrews quite happy to get that. Humphreys underneath it. Gavin Williams trying to clear it, just corkscrews backwards off him. Max McLaughlin has the ball. Lewis gets in the way, as he has done the whole game, and Lewis clears it. Trying to think of man of the match, really. Here goes the man of the match. At the moment, I would say it's got to go to a Dolgellau player. And to me, Gavin Williams has done so much work, as he always does, before Lewis. What's he, 36? Or am I doing him a favour? He's still going. He's the Duracell of the competition. 38-year-old Paul Lewis is my man of the match. He's contained. But here come Caersws, Callum Page Page puts it wide to Heston. Heston already on the run, has to backtrack. Gets the ball in. It's flicked up in the air. Gittor. Oh well, Gittor Pugh. It's sort of flicked up off his leg and upwards in the air, but Tyler Andrews gathered it. And now he's kicked it forward. Gavin Williams, the only one under it. He doesn't get the header. Morris doesn't get it. Caersws will clear, but only to halfway. Here's Ben Fisher. Fisher puts the ball down the wing. Different wavelength to Gavin Williams. He wasn't expecting to run on the ball. And after this 91st minute, it's like 91 minutes of running, I don't think he would want to run on the ball, but Sam Phillips skying the ball. It's closer to me than it is to Humphreys, but Humphreys comes down and beautifully does it. Fisher takes him out. Yellow card. Well, Humphreys had the beautiful touch the ball to stop it going out there, and Ben Fisher just sort of rolled onto him to stop it. Sloycoid 2 throw-in stars 5 now. That's a bit of a game over. And Hollywell 3, Ross Tuttlin 2. Oh, it's such a shame for Ross Tuttlin, but good news for the Well. Not over yet though. Here come the ball for Caersws into the box, and it's going close, and Tyler Andrews quite happy to take that and pick it up. And we are in injury time, and it looks like another one of those penalties days. Paul Lewis gets a long ball down. Oshin Morris goes the right side of Harry Cossum, and he's got the ball. Gets it across. Oh, chance. Jake Jones. Gary Williams. No, just blocked. Here comes Ben Fisher this time. Puts it wide. Morris again. Morris coming through. Gets a shot. It's deflected in. And Dolgellau done it. And that's incredible. And the referee blowing his whistle. What's he giving? He's giving a yellow card for celebration. He's giving a yellow card to Dolgellau player. Gets a thumbs up in reply. Did he take his shirt off or something? Oh no, it's actually for Will Griffith, who ran from the bench to the other side of the goal to celebrate. So the referee gave him a yellow card. There were 2 subs who did that. The ref didn't notice the other one. But this is news, and Dolgellau smash and grab, doesn't matter. They've kept in the whole time. They have played this one the whole time, and Caersws are running out of time to do anything here. Ball forward. Page can't get it. Still the edge. Here comes Dylan Brown. Dylan Brown comes through. Dylan Brown gets the ball across. It's a header. It's saved by Tyler Andrews. Catches it as well. He's going to take all day. Here we go. Andrews just kicks it as far as he can. It's right down on Oshin Morris. Gets belted by Thomas Edwards, according to Morris. Referee just says get up. Referee's not giving any of those, to be honest, either side. Page flicks it on. Caersws still in with a chance here, but Jake Jones is going to come away, and he just boots it all the way down as far as he can. So Caersws have to come from far. Gresford 9, Llanrug 0 is a final score here. Caersws 0, Dolgellau 1, 94 minutes. We're on vapours here, as the referee still carries on. Cardiff Met 5, Tapswell 1. Here we go. Caersws trying to belt it up. Oh no, that's not kept in. That's dangerous. He's looking at his watch now. The ref. Caersws know that they've run out of time, really. It looks to me like you've run out of time. Dolgellau get the throw. Nathan Morris throws it as far as he can. Ash Jones gets it. Gary Williams stands up, puts the ball forward. Oshin Morris, well, he won't. He's running down for it. He's jogging down for it. He's on the right, down by the corner flag. he's quite happy. He's tried to go for the corner, didn't manage it. Comes in though, challenges for the ball. Caersws clear it, but they've only got it to Dennis Bates. And Bates has put the ball down towards the corner flag where Caersws pick it up, and they're trying to put it forward. Gethin Evans in the way, and this is on the verge of historic win for Dolgellau AAFC as Caersws put the ball forward. Callum Page under, and he can do things. Page puts it forward, reads Hesden. Hesden in the box. Hesden with Lewis. Oh, and Dennis Bates comes in, takes the ball off McLaughlin, and that is it! History in the making. Dolgellau Athletic have beaten Caersws.